Hey guys, welcome to another healthy recipe with home style cooking. Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, today I'm preparing banana stem tove, or it is called it as a gravy, which is very healthy and it is good for kidneys as well as for the urinary tract. It's very important to have it in our diet at least once in a week, which is very good for our health. So let's see what all we require to prepare it. So before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell button. So now let us start to cook the banana stem tove. I have taken half a cup of moong dal and finely chopped banana stem. So you can see it's finely chopped. So now let's cook. So I have placed a pan and adding hot water to it. If you want the cooking to be faster, you can use even cooker for cooking the dal as well as the banana stem. So once it starts to boil here, so I'm going to wash the moong dal and I'm going to add it to it. So cook it until it's half cooked. Close the lid and cook it. So now you can see that it is half cooked. And now I'm going to add the banana stem to the moong dal. I have kept the chopped banana stem in the water as it may turn black. So now I'm going to add it to the half cooked moong dal. So cook the banana stem until it becomes very soft, so it gives a good flavor while we are eating, and add little turmeric to it. Close the lid and cook it for at least 30 to 45 minutes in this method. Suppose if it is cooker, then cook it for one whistle so it will be cooked well. So meanwhile we'll make the masala for it. So I have taken a mixie jar and I'm going to add little coconut to it. 2 green chilies is enough. If you want the spiciness more, you can add more, and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, and I've made it into a paste. I'm going to extract the milk out of it. So you can regrind it and get the milk at least twice. See, I'm regrinding now. So 2 times I've reground it and got the milk out of it. So now it is cooked, so I'm adding salt to it and mix it well. So you can see that it is cooked very soft. So you can boil it for few more minutes just for the salt to get inside it. And now with the smasher, smash the moong dal as well as the banana stem. So now I'm going to add the extracted milk to it and cook it until it becomes little thicker in nature. So now cook for 5-10 minutes, then we'll make a tadka. So I've added little oil to it. So once the oil gets heated, I'm going to add mustard seeds, curry leaves, 1 red chili and a pinch of asafoetida, so it gives good flavor. So add the tadka to the dal. See, now it is ready. You can have it with hot rice, rotis or chapatis.